It looks like something that could have been a car. Take this embarrassment off. And welcome back. So much that has been done already with Wrangler, but we still need to do more. Still doesn't look like a car. It looks like something that could have been a car. This really bothers me right here. Well, not just that, all four corners. So right now I'm going to jack the car up, take this embarrassment off, and try to put something else on that's gonna make a hell of a difference. Let's begin. It's not easy to take this off. Yeah. Oof, what did they use to tie them up? After further inspection, I noticed that brakes here, let's just say, they're not there anymore. They used to be, but not anymore. So I think I should change that, to change the brakes. And by the way, look at these tires. They dry rotted. There's definitely no place for them back at this project. Yeah, all these old wheels and these lug nuts, they really got me working. Yeah, haha. Yuck. Since I'm at it, I might as well. Forgot one very important thing. These wheels don't fit like that, since our flares are a little bit wider compared to the factory ones. And the offset of the wheels is different from stock, meaning that they're supposed to go more inside. So besides adapting new wheels to old car, we also need to space them out. Very smart way of making these. This is in the form of a cone, and inside here every hole is in the form of a cone, so you center it the right way. Now let's put the wheel on. one side.
Getting ready for paint. Lights are out, doors are fixed. We got all new moldings. Oh good, you took them off. Okay, we're doing a complete paint job on this Trans Am GTA. All the spots. Roughed it out. Now we're gonna prime it.
Gotta give him a shout now. You know me. I don't want shit going. Great.
Car came out like brand new.
Another happy customer. And let's go to another side. On this side, all the bolts are different. And the top. Old brakes. Gonna need to use the adapter on the spare tire, but it's okay. The brake light is in the way. Need to move it up a little. All I'm gonna do is use some washers and spacers that I cut out of a pipe, and I need something to shim the wheel a little tiny bit. Let's get to it. So this is what I used to shim them. 2 large nuts and a washer with a spacer. I could have used another one, but decided it's gonna be a little bit thinner. Here, hammer, regular hammer, drill, another hammer, a bunch of bits, and here. Well,
Most of the lug nuts were stuck, but this one didn't even want to come loose. So it is what it is. I have to get it out somehow. A little by little and coming loose. But it doesn't want to come off completely. Come on! Finally came loose. Oof. Let's see what we got here. Oh wow. Still got some pieces here. Huh. That's from the old lug nut. This is the rim. Wow, kind of cracked it a little. It's okay. Can still use it if I really want to. But that stud would have to be replaced. It's alright. This is a lot of stuff that I would recommend doing in here. Anyway, let's continue. Damn it, I forgot this again. Now it's time to go on.